In this video, I want to show you how to use your iPhone stickers. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video. Let's get started. You can express yourself by using different stickers you've already created. One way would be to click the plus button here on the left and then go to your stickers. This is also accessible if you go to your emoji keyboard. The image for stickers is this circle with it folded over a little bit. You could add a message and then put your sticker in there. Or to react using stickers, simply hold down the message bubble you'd like to add a sticker to, select add sticker, and I'm adding this Christmas tree there. Let's say I want to take it off, hold down on the message again, select on sticker details, and then use your finger to swipe from right to left to select delete. The other way to use stickers is within your Photos app. I'm going to use this photo and add myself to it. At the bottom, I'm going to select the 3 lines with the circles on it. At the top, I'm going to select the pencil within the circle. I'm going to turn on markup, which will turn off this live photo, select OK. And now I'm going to add my sticker by selecting the gray plus on the bottom right-hand corner, select add sticker, and I'm going to add this to this photo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to Being Classy on YouTube and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.